Metals have had it tough in these last couple of days as the entire pack goes crumbling on account of the surge in dollar, which in turn caused commodity prices as well, to plummet quite a bit. But Hindalco is the standout out there. Credit Suisse, especially after the kind of rout that we've seen in metal stocks, has upgraded the target price for Hindalco. They've maintained their outperform stance, but they've hiked the target price quite significantly. So where earlier the target price was 330 rupees, now they've kept a target of 555 rupees. Remember that Hindalco has really been a standout performer. It's been a little bit of a slow mover compared to its peers in the ferrous pack, but it has relatively been doing well recently, and their target price, Credit Suisse target price, is 555 rupees. They say that the company's structural drivers seem to be largely in place. They believe that it's poised to thus deliver the aluminium major. They also see a higher share of a relatively stable Novelis business in the EBITDA mix of the Hindalco group going forward. Remember, Novelis has been an extremely strong business. Every quarter, the EBITDA per ton of Novelis is at never before seen levels thanks to a great mix of products, and of course not to mention the premiums as well in the American aluminium market are extremely high. In many ways that is benefiting Novelis, and they are constantly beating their EBITDA per ton targets too. It's been at the outer range of the targets that they have given, which is also very interesting and a very positive one at that for the group as a whole. So as Novelis's contribution to Hindalco's overall EBITDA increases, it bodes well for the group. Now, Credit Suisse has some very good estimates, very ambitious estimates for Hindalco. First up, on the EBITDA front, they expect the EBITDA to rise 50% year on year in FY22. Now that's obvious because FY21 had a bit of a low base, but what's interesting is they see this trend continue, this growth trend continue in FY23 and 24 too, for two reasons. Firstly, like I said, that Novelis's profitability will only grow stronger. We'll have Aleris as well coming in. And secondly, even the India business is expected to be much stronger than before. So the India aluminium business, that is more specifically, is expected to be much stronger. So on the back of these two reasons, they are writing in good EBITDA growth, not for FY22 only, but also for 23 and 24. They believe Novelis EBITDA going forward would mean that the company can command higher premium versus historical averages. So for FY22 itself also, they've raised the EPS by 82%, and for FY23 they've raised the EPS by 75% on the back of high prices. And further, they finally also expect the free cash flow yield of the company to be around 14 and 16% for FY23 and 24 respectively, stating that Hindalco is their top pick in the metal space.